Japers is celebrating 4th of July at YMCA. You ready to go swimming? Get off that tablet, let's go swimming. Okay, looky. There's really nobody here. We're about to go have some fun. Look at Japers playing in that cold water. Woo! Run, let me see you run. Come to Moss. Up, little. Big. Little, big. It's gonna fall. What are they doing? Splash them. Get them. Oh, I missed you. Back up. No, the other way, boy. Get him, water. Get him. 1, 2, 3. Get him. He deserves to be dunked. Right over the head. Hurry up, bucket. Yay! Jaden got drenched. Daddy, boo-boo. Look at that face. He loves water. Did that feel good? It sure is hot out here, buddy. What, Japers?
I want to go home.
You're finished? You don't want to swim anymore?
No.
Alright, guess we're going home. Did this turd just lock me out? I'm grilling and he locked the door on me. Ugh! Get my cutie. Oh, he is choking him. He's not hugging him. Oh my gosh, he's so rough with my dog. I'm watching you. Yeah, you little shrimp. I caught you, didn't I? I thought you were loving him and you are choking him. He's gonna bite you. Bite him, Duke. Yeah. Got my tomatoes and onions. My deviled eggs. Hot dogs, chili, bacon, lettuce, cheeseburgers, and barbecue chicken. Yummy. Gourmet burger and hot dog. Doesn't that look yummy? Yummy chicken is ready. See, where's it go? Match up pink and pink. Turn it around. Where's pink? Where's the pink at? Good job. Turn it around. Turn it around so it'll fit. No, the shark. Turn the shark around and now put it in there. Where's yellow? Yay, you gotta turn it around.
Flip it, Sasai.
Well, he's got the colors down. Where's orange? There's orange. Where is blue? Where's blue? There's blue.
Sasai, you're so smart.
Just gotta work on. Where's green? Green, yay! They're just all facing me. But you did it. You got it where they go, yay! And down they go again. All right, let's do it again. She does when she comes over.
My eyeball hurts.
Her son tearing up Jaden's room. He'll be mad when he comes in here. He hates a mess. He's like his malls.
This is so cute.
Like her mammy, always on her tablet. Why do y'all even come over? And him. The family thing. They're all just always on their tablet and phone. Who you looking at? Who you looking at, little boy? Who you looking at? Turkey. Why is she so childish?
You look at there's no nothing. Put your hands up.
That's why Jaden ran from you. He ain't dealing with that.
Put your hands up. Put them up. What are you doing? Put your hands up. Put your hands up. Put them up. Put your hands up.
Oh, look at Japers with his sparkle. And Jaja and Jada. Ooh, what you got, buddy? What do you have?
Light it up, side.
Wee! Oh, look at Japers.
Jada.
Twirl it around. Yeah, there you go. That's cool, Jaden. That's so cool.
Good job, Jay.
Wee! Oh, I guess that's it.
Back up.
That's it. And these are little cherry bombs. They just smoke a lot. Oh, you like that, buddy? Let me see you throw some pot rocks. Oh, John, what was that? Throw it, baby. Oh. He's like, I'll just use my foot. Throw it, baby.
Throw it.
No, you gotta throw it on concrete, Jada.
Get a pop.
Yeah, there you go.
Now you get one.
That's it. All right, this better do something good. There we go. Yeah. That's better. You like that, Cha-Cha? Oh, finally.
No.
Darius has arrived.
It's way too legal.
Hey. Woo! Yeah. Woo! Okay, that was a good one. What's it gonna do, Jaden? Watch out! Jaden, go up on the porch. Come on, I don't know what this one's gonna do. Jaden! Jaden, come on. Give me your hand. Come on, give me your hand. Did you like that one, buddy? Hey!
Hey!
Here it goes, Jaden! Come with some more! Woo, Jaden! Yeah! All right, that was a good one. Oh! It's still going. Happy 4th of July! Woo! Here it goes, Jada. It's supposed to do something else. I don't know. There we go. Come on, do something. Last one. Make us proud, monkey. Whoa. What did y'all think about the fireworks? Did you like it?
Yeah.
Was that fun, Jaden? Say happy 4th of July, everybody.
Jaden got
Say
hit.
happy 4th. And I'm proud to be an American.
I like the red one.
At least that.